In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Photos backup not working. If your photos or videos are not syncing properly, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by a simple setting, limited storage, or a background restriction on your device. We'll go through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can get backup working again. First, try a quick refresh inside the Google Photos app. Open Google Photos, tap your profile picture, then go to Photos settings and select Backup. Turn Backup off, wait about 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the connection and restart a stuck backup process without changing your photos. Next, check your available cloud storage. Tap your profile picture in Google Photos and review your storage status. If your account has run out of space, backup may stop completely until more room is available. If needed, you can manage your storage or upgrade through the Google One Storage Plan page. This is an important step because even if the app looks normal, uploads won't continue when storage is full. If you're using Android, the next fix is to clear the app cache. Go to your phone's settings, then apps, then photos, then storage, and tap clear cache. This removes temporary files that may be interfering with the app, but it won't delete your actual photos. After clearing the cache, reopen Google Photos and give it a moment to reconnect. If you're on iPhone, the recommended fix is slightly different. Sign out of the Google Photos app, then force close the app completely. After that, reboot your phone and sign back in. This helps reset the app session and can resolve syncing problems caused by a temporary glitch. Now check your platform-specific settings. On Android, make sure battery saver is turned off. Then go to Settings, Apps, Photos, and Battery, and confirm that Google Photos is not restricted from running in the background. Backup often depends on background activity, so if your phone is limiting the app to save power, uploads may pause or fail. On iPhone, verify that permissions are set correctly. Open your phone's settings, then Photos, then Google Photos, and make sure access is set to all photos. Also check that background app refresh is enabled for Google Photos. If either of these settings is off, the app may not be able to see your full library or continue backing up when it's not actively open. Work through these fixes one by one, and in most cases, Google Photos backup will start working again. If one step doesn't solve it, move on to the next until the issue is resolved.